Hi everyone, so today we are going to learn about designing of a simple HTML landing page. I hope you all will enjoy this video.
Now we are going to build this landing page with HTML and CSS. Here you can see the page how it is looking. To do this, first we need to create two files. One is for HTML, which we can create it as index.html, and another is for CSS as index.css. Here we are having mainly two divisions, those are top and middle, so we are keep this two divisions in one division, that is container division. In top division we are having two divisions, one is logo division with image tag for image, and another one is items division for all items, and in lead tag we are having home, about us, contact us, courses. We are having another division for button tag where we have given class name as btn. Next we are having middle division where we divided into two divisions as left and right. In the left division we are having the h1 tag as build your dream career in tech. And we are having a paragraph tag P as get trained for top tech jobs by industry experts. We also have a button tag which defined as enroll for free. And now we are having the right division and middle division where we are having an image. In image tag we are placing the image, and the attribute src specifies the path to the image. Up to now we have built a static landing page using HTML, so now let us make this page beautiful with adding CSS styles. Here we are using external CSS which is written in index.css file. Here we are making the initial values all set to 0. To add CSS to any class we need to access them by using .className. Here is the CSS selector, so now we are giving some height and width to the division container by accessing it. Now we are going to write CSS for top division which is having three divisions, right? So here the content of top division should be displayed in column. So we use CSS property known as displayFlex that display the content of division in column. Justify content is used to provide some space between the content based on the property value. As seen above, the contents of the top division are presented in columns with some space between them. Let us now create CSS to organize the list items in columns using CSS properties. Here we need to give the list items some height and width to make them spread more clearly, and display. The flex and justify content attributes are used to show information in columns, while the list style property with the value none is used to remove the dots from list items. This is the page where we can see the distance between the item. Font size and weight should be applied to the list items. After that, we'll use CSS to change the height and width of the button which is having class name as btn1, and then we need to add background color to button and color to the text in button. We are using the margin top property with a value of 2rem to make the button display 2rem down from the top, and we are also using the border none property that removes the border of a button, and border radius is used to cut the edges of the button. After that, here you can see the display where we are having list items with some font size and color in the button with some background color green and white text color. Let us now create the CSS for the middle division. The middle division should have the most height possible because it is the primary division that displays the content clearly, so let us set the height to 50%, which fills half of the page, and the remaining CSS properties have previously been explained, so you can see that the two sections are separated by some distance thanks to the displayFlex and justify content properties, and the value for justify content may be anything as user defined. The CSS for the left section will be created next. We will utilize the flex direction property to do this, which sets the orientation of the content based on its value. We may show the h1, p, and button tags in a column format instead of the normal. The text of the left division h1 and paragraph, as well as the button, are presented in a column with some spacing and alignment. Now, let us create the CSS for the left division, which has a h1 tag and a paragraph tag. To write CSS for them, we need to access them as a .class name, or we may directly access them by using the tag name or by .class name tag name. In the left division, we have provided the font size, font weight, and color to the content, and then we have span, which is an inline element used to group and apply styles to a segment of text, so we have applied a separate color to the text. We're almost done with our CSS section, and our next task is to create the Enroll Free button with CSS. To do this, we can copy the CSS from the Register Now button and make some changes to its height and width to fit our needs. After we finish this section, we may go on to the last section, which is the right division. We only have one picture in this division, so let us raise the height and width of the image to fit the division by accessing it using the IM tag. Finally, we've finished both the HTML and CSS for the landing page, so here is our output. I hope you learned something new and simple about designing a landing page with HTML and CSS. Guys, if you have any questions, please watch it again and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I will be back soon with some additional simple ways to design landing pages, as our channel is beginner friendly. Thanks for watching, see you again.